Hello, welcome to Yemi's Kitchen. I'm making suya tonight for my family. We are so excited to eat suya.
Suya, a popular food item in West Africa, a spicy meat skewer generally made with beef, ram, or chicken. The meat is thinly sliced and marinated in various spices and then barbecued to heavenly perfection. The best.
I'm showing what we're going to need for the suya kebab. You're going to need meat. I bought this meat like 5 days ago. I put in the freezer. I just tore it and I cut into pieces as much as I can, and I trim the fat as much as I can. You're going to need, for suya, you're going to need the meat, which is the flank meat, which it has to be like cut thinly. Then you're going to need Maggi cubes or chicken seasoning, salt as needed. That's optional. Canola oil or any odorless oil, and the suya spices, the suya pepper. So what I'm going to do is I've already poured a little bit of oil and Maggi in the plate. I'm going to put the meat inside the Maggi to marinate it maybe for like an hour. Then I put it on a skewer. Then I put in the oven. So what you want to do, you either coat the meat right now, okay, in a bowl, or you put it in a skewer, then coat it with the oil and Maggi. Then you can either put the yaji or the suya pepper on top of it in the skewer. But I prefer this method better because it's going to give me time to marinate the beef for like an hour, so as to not be too dry when you eat the meat. It's finished. I'm going to turn it off and serve. Yum, yum, yum. It's very good in here. This is my suya, oven suya. Has two different color of suya pepper yaji. So one was almost yellow and the other one is brown. So it both tastes really good. Now I'm going to serve it and see how you like it. Thank you for staying with me throughout the cooking. It turns out pretty good. This is how it's served. I served one on the platter with tomatoes, onions, and cucumber, and the other one, it looks perfect. So now you can make your suya at home. Don't forget to like us. Blah 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 blah. I love you. Be good. God bless you. Don't forget, let your word be your honor. Have integrity.